day everybody and welcome to the Finance How To. Today I'm going to show you how to remove startup applications in your Windows. First, right click on this bulb right here, not on any icons, just on an empty space. Then click on Task Manager. If this doesn't work for you, press these keys on your keyboard, Ctrl, Shift and Escape. This will also open the Task Manager. Then you could extend this menu by clicking on it and then you can go to Startup Applications or Apps. That's short for applications. You will see a whole list or something short, but what you need to know is what's enabled. You can see the status here, and if you click on it you can see the disabled here and the enabled here. This is what's enabled on my computer, and this is the impact on what it has on my computer. So this has the highest impact and is enabled, so right click on it and disable. So there you go. It's disabled. FTM is not starting up anymore, and when you restart your computer it's gone. I'm going to enable it because I want it on my computer. Hope you enjoyed this video and it was really helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.